Assalamu alaikum, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, in previous class we have done our exercise 1b. Today let's start exercise 1c with question number 1. Find the HCF of the following set. So, what is the HCF? HCF is highest common factor. How to find HCF of two set of numbers? Let's learn. The two numbers is 12 and 30. So, we take the HCF by the older method, 12 comma 30. Now to use the lowest number which is divisible by both 12 and 30, 6 times 2 is 12 and 15 times 2 is 30. 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 5 is 15. Now at that point 6 gives us number 2 and 15 gives us number 5, but there is no number which can divide either 2 or 5, so we will stop here and our answer will be 2 multiplied with 3, that is 6. So our HCF is 6. Now for second part, 13 and 91, we write 13 comma 91 and find that factor that is divisible both by 13 and 91, that is 13 itself. Since 13 is a prime number, so it is come in only its table and 1, so we can divide 13 with 13, so we get 1, and 7 times 13 is 91. So now at that point there are two numbers that is that do not possess any factor which is common, so we stop here and our answer will be 30. Now part C, 126 and 240. So we can find the HCF 126 240. So both are even numbers, so it can be divided by 2. 63 120 by 3 we get 21 40. Now at that point there is no number which is exactly divided 21 or 41 40, so our answer will be 2 multiplied by 3, that is 6. Now part D, 180 comma 450. So we can divide it by 2, we get 90 comma 225 by 5 we get 8 18 and 4 5. Now it can be divided by 3 6 15. Furthermore the common multiple is 3, that is 5. At that point no number can divide either 2 or 5, so our answer will be 2 multiplied with 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, that is 2 times 5 is 10, 10 times 3 times 10 is 30, 30 times 3 is 90, so our answer will be 90. Now for part E, 11 and 13, we can check if any number can divide 11 or 13. 11 comma 31. So as we know that 11 is a prime number as well as 31 is also a prime number, so there is no common factor between them, so our answer will be 1. Part F, 64 and 81. So for 64 there is no common number that divides 64 and 81, so its answer is also 1. In HCF we have to find the common factors, but there is no other than factor that is 1, so 1 is our answer. So coming to question number 2, find the greatest factors of 156 and 168. So in question we have to find the factor. It means we have to find the HCF of these two numbers. As we have learned to find the HCF, we can try it by own. 168. Now since both are the even numbers, it can be divided by 2. 78 and 84. Again with 2. 39. 42. Now this is a odd number, but it come in table of 3. 13. 14. At this point there is no factor which is divided either 13 and 14, so our answer will be 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 3, that is 2 multiplied with 2 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12. Our answer will be 12. Now moving to the question number 3, find the LCM of the following. We have learned to find the HCF. Now its LCM. The procedure will be same, but we continue until the answer will be, remainder will be 1. Let's start. 45, 60. Now it comes in both 45, 9, 12. With 3 we get 3 and 4. Now at LCF we stop here because both the numbers are not coming in the same number table, but in LCM we continue until the remainder will be 1. So 3 times 1 is 3, and we can write at 4 as it is. Now 4 times 1 is 4. So what we get is the LCM will be 5 multiplied with 3 multiplied by 4. 5 times 3 is 15, 15 times 3 is 60, 60 times 4 times is 180. That is our required answer. Similarly, part B, 42 and 462. With 2 we get 21, 231. With 3 we get 7, 97. With 7 we get 1 and 11. With 11 we get 1, 1. Now the LCM will be 2 times 3 into 7 into 11. So by multiplying it we get 462. That is our required answer. Now for part C, 54 and 240. 54 and 240. With 2 we get 47, 120. Now with 2 again 60, again 2, 30, again with 2, 15, with 3, 5, with 5 we get 47, 1, and with 47 we get 1, 1. Okay, for answer can we multiply 47 multiply with 5 multiply with 3 multiply with 2 multiply with 2 multiply with 2 multiply with 2, we get 2160. That is our required answer. For part D, 11 and 19, since both are the prime numbers, so their factors will be itself, like 11 times 1 is 11, 19 times 1 is 19. So the LCM will be 11 multiplied with 19, that is 209. That is our required answer. Now part E, 27 and 32. 27, 32. Now we can get it with 2. 27 remains same and become 16. Again with 2. 27 remains same. It will become 8. From 2, 27, 4. Now 2, 27, 2, 2, 27, 1. Now for 3, 3, so for LCM will be 2 multiply with 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 3 multiply with 3. So by calculating we get 864. That is our required answer. Now for the last part, F 78, 352, 78 and 352 with 2 we get 39. With 2 we get 8, 8. With 2 we get 44. With 2 we get 22. With 2 we get 11. With 11 we get 1. With 3 we get 13. With 13 we get 1 comma 1. So by multiplying all the factors, the LCM will be 13728, and that is our required answer. Hopefully you understand today's class. If you have any problem, feel free to ask. Keep watching my channel.